Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're playing slap battles. Let's get into it. Nah, ain't no way. Damn, there's no people to slap. Yo, get over here. Bro, what is going on? Yeah, you already know. Now get over here. Alright, guys, let's try to win. We have our chance. I've officially defeated him off of this map. Let's go. Guys, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. I forgot to tell you guys that. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, damn. Yo, hold on, bro. Alright, bro, let's go. Yeah. The second one, I defeated him. What's up? Come over here. Yeah. I defeated all 3 people. And now I have to defeat these people. I have to take all of them out. Alright, guys. Let's see who's gonna win. Bro, get over here. Ain't nobody got time for that. Yeah, you already know. Yeah, I did it. Let's go. 192,000 slaps. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, since you just want to be stupid, I'll let you win.
Aiden, I'm gonna look around here to see if I find that wire that I need before, even though I cleaned this out here.
Alright, guys, let's use this glove.
This is yours, Aiden? Yeah.
You already know, now get over here.
I figured it was yours, that's why I hung out and put it there.
Oh, damn.
Is there a cold in here? You got kind of cold? You got cold?
No. Just like a light breeze.
So I was thinking tomorrow when the bed comes to put it like that, but more against the window.
Alright, gosh.
So that way you have more walking space.
Yeah. And if you want to stay here, you can stay.
And then maybe I could try to get like a little something like for you guys to sit here, like try to, but something that's not too big.
Yeah.
So they have skinny stuff like benches,
Mm-hmm.
like a bench or something to put there, and you guys, if you guys want to sit, like to play the game or whatever.
Yeah, I think that would be nice because then if he wants to play on the Xbox, he can. Whenever I want to play, I don't have to stand up and go up to the TV.
Cause I bought him one of those chairs
Gaming
for
chairs?
Christmas, but he fucked it up. That chair is fucked up. I'm not even. I don't think I'm bringing that. I think I'm just gonna throw it out. Because it's
I'm just going through islands. Put your ass over here. What you over here saying, bro? Get over here. Yeah. Alright, come over here. You already know. I'm zooming. No, bro. Yo, chill out, bro. Waste of ability. This is the only time I can actually get a bunch of slaps. You only know. You only live once. Guys, you only live once. You only live once. You already know what's about to happen. Yeah, with all that being said, get over here. Come on, man. Come on, man. I don't got time for that. Come on, man. I don't got time for that. Get out of here, bro. Ain't nobody got time for that. I killed you. I killed you. You killed me. Guys, comment down below if you've ever played slap battles. Comment down below. Comment down below. Now get over here. Ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, guys. It's time to use our ability and get away.
Get out the bed. Don't go on the bed.
Come on, guys. You already know. Let's go, bro.
Go. Living room. Go. Go. You don't want the funny off the bed.
Guys, I don't know what's going on.
You guys stop.
The laggiest internet on earth. The most powerful glove in existence. What's up, everybody? Yeah, Awesome Damien's in the house. I can't hear all those people, but I could definitely hear myself. Yeah, now get over here. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like slap battles, comment down below. And that's all. Yeah. And don't let and stay awesome and be cool, that's all.